Hey, what's going on? It's Ty, Chi-Town Chill Grills. I'm about to bring a grill back to life. Check it out. Look at this grill. I already put wheels on it. Look at this thing. Busted. Well, I'm about to bring it back to life. Someone want me to bring it back to life. I'm about to get ready to do it. Resurrection. Bring it back to life.
Woo! Get your Chi-Town Chill Grill. Chi-Town Chill Grill, Chi-Town Chill Grill. Woo! Get your Chi-Town Chill Grill. Get your Chi-Town Chill Grill.
Look at that. It's looking better already. About to put that, attack the smokestack on. Temperature gauge, put that handle on, put the hook on. Looking better already. Then I'm gonna put the table right here. I'm at it. Chi-Town Chill Grills. Love you. God bless you. Don't forget to hit that like button. Like and subscribe. Chi-Town Chill Grills.